Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are doing really great job. And this is your teacher Naina. I'm here with you for the brain training workshop. So welcome to Swiflearn. Swiflearn is India's most sincere learning destination for the classes 1 to 10. Here we are providing 100% live and interactive classes. You can find a lot of interesting academic and non-academic topics from here. And join with us today itself. Get ready to explore the art of learning. So everyone, have a good day and let's start our activities. And this is your first activity. So let's brainstorm. Imagine you are in a shopping mall and you want to buy some clothes for your summer camp. You bought 11 items in total and you paid $150. The shopkeeper gave you $3.10 back from your $150. So how many of each item did you buy? So look at the list of the items. For the top is $48.50. One pair of socks costs $18 and for the belt is $12.90 and for the skirt is $67.50. Let's do this activity. If you have a paper and pen, let's copy the words and copy the prices as well. And get ready to do this activity. Let's start in a count of 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So if you could do this activity, your number sense and logical reasoning is really high. These kind of activities will really brush up your mental ability. Go ahead. Let's do this activity. So look at the $150 first and subtract $3.10 from it. So you will get an amount and classify or distinguish the 11 items. Go ahead everyone. I hope you got the answer. Let's get ready to check the answer and the answer is over here. So you bought one top which is cost $48.50. You bought 3 skirts that is $67.50 for each. You bought 4 pair of socks, it's $18 each. For the belt you bought 3, $12.90 for each. So the total amount is $146.90. So you got $3.10 change, right? So when you add these two numbers together, that is the total of $150. Good job there if you could do this activity. So your logical reasoning is really high, number sense also very high. Good job there and keep trying. Try to do this activity in your phase first, then try to improve the pace of learning. Try to do this activity in a quicker speed. So this is the tricky matchbox sticks. This is your next activity. I would love to add this activity in each session because it will really improve your mental ability. So here we go. It will enhance your spatial awareness also. So here you have to remove 9 matches without leaving any loose ends or single squares. So let's start the activities now. Go ahead, let's do this activity. You can remove any of the 9 matchsticks, but be ensure you are not leaving any loose ends or single squares. Go ahead everyone, keep trying. Let's figure out which are the matchsticks you want to remove. Have to remove 9 matchsticks. And good job there. Let's get ready to check the answer and the answer is over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the matchsticks you can remove from this one. So it won't leave any loose ends or single squares and you will get these squares over here. So good job there. Keep practicing. Okay, keep practicing at home. You will be able to do this one. And this is a memory game with a general knowledge idea. Like this is for the first one is India's flag and this one is Russia's flag and this one is China's flag and this one is England's flag and this one is Japan's flag and this one is Philippines flag and this one is America's flag. So let's remember the order and recall it in the same order. Let's look at the objects, look at the flags over here. So this is actually we are training our right brain memory and the left brain memory because the right brain is very good for image memory and the words will go to the left brain, so we can associate these brains together. Go ahead, look at it, focus on it and capture it and let's recall it. Recall it the order, the same order. Go ahead everyone, you can remember what was the first flag and the second flag, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. You will be able to do this one. So previously, in the previous session, we learned a lot of associations and pegging method. You can even use those methods with this activity. Keep trying, everyone. I hope you got the answer. Really good job if you recall all these items, or good try. Keep trying. And here, this is a funny activity and a tricky question. If you have an empty bottle and a coin, please use that. So it will easily enhance your kinesthetic memory. So this is the bottle money. If you put a small coin into an empty wine bottle and replace with a cork, how would you get the coin out without taking out the cork or breaking the bottle? So this is a question. Please try to do this. So let's brush your brain, brainstorm. You will be able to do this one. So these kind of tricky question and brain teasers definitely, will help you to think outside of the box. Keep going. You can do it. Yes, I hope you got the answer. This is the answer. First, you have to push out the cork into the bottle and shake out the money. This is the answer. It is a little bit illogical or logical funny, but it's fine. Try to practice these kind of brain teasers at home. And here, this is your next activity. If you remove 2 shapes from this one, you will get another 4 shapes which you can use to create a square. So you have shape A, shape B, shape C, shape D, shape E and shape F. You can remove any of 2 shapes from this one, but please make sure that you can form a square with the rest of the shapes. Go ahead, let's start the activity in a count of 3, 2, 1. Let's go. If we have a paper like origami paper and a scissor, let's try to cut the shapes first and try to join with all the shapes until you form a square. Keep practicing, keep trying, keep trying. So all these items, all these activities you can do at your own pace first, and gradually you can improve the speed. Keep trying, everyone. I hope you got the answer, and let's check the answer. And the answer is over here. If you got the answer, that is a good job. So you use A, B, E and F to form a square, and C and D you can take out. Good job there, and keep practicing at home. So this is a word association activity. You may be new to this activity, but practicing this activity will definitely improve your imagination and creativity. So in this test, in which the participant responds to the stimulus word with the first word comes to mind. The game's goal is to compare the first and final word to see if they related or to see how different they are, or also see how many words are repeated. Likewise, players often review the list of the words to see the pathways of association that go from beginning to end. And here you have 4 sets of words, so you can connect the words from end to the beginning, like from here to the fight. Go ahead, everyone, you can do it. You can do it, everyone. Keep trying. You are doing an amazing job. Excellent job, everyone. Good. So get ready. Let's check the answer, and the answer is over here. Look at the words, like you started from here and you end up with the fight. And there are several words comes in between that is actually showing your creativity and level of intelligence. And you have several words over here. Look at this one, and the first one start with here, then it went to the sound, then it transformed to music, then emotion, anger, fight. Like in accordingly, these words are connected, associated with a similarity, right? So option B, that is a storm, lightning, electricity, energy, food and rice. The C, flask, drink, water, river, fish, net. And D, child, school, book, paper, tree and forest. This is mine, but you can create yours. It's only that the first word and last word should be the same. You can use any of the words in between. So everyone, that was a good job for your word association. Please try to do this another different word. You can even play with this activity with your friends and family. So let's have a lot of fun. So if you like the session, please like, comment and share. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you won't miss any important updates from us. So be safe everyone, and thank you for coming today. See you until the next session. Signing off, your teacher Naina. Bye everyone.